Hi friends, how are you all? Hope you all are doing well. Welcome to your favorite channel, your trading coach Shubroto. Well, today we are going to discuss about a very important topic, and I hope it will really sound very important, whichever country you may belong to, and whatever underlying securities you may be trading or you may be investing in. Well, the most important topic that is how much should be your trading or investment capital? Well, friends, I hope this question time and again haunts you. Well, if you are interested in trading, in any kind of trading, maybe day trading, maybe swing, positional, or scalping, whatever it is, maybe future trading, option trading, or if you are interested in investment only, not in trading, or in both. I think this question really haunts you. So in this very short span video, we will be trying to find answer to this question. Well, please be with me in the video and don't skip it if you want to get the answer. Well, let's try to find the answer. Well, I hope you can see the whiteboard here. So here we are going to explain that golden rule. What is the golden rule? Well, here from we are starting our discussion of today, and in this discussion we will spare max to max 10 minutes and even less than that. See, friends, if you are having some savings, therefrom you can get the capital, and it may be kept by you as a savings amount or recurring deposit amount or any kind of a deposit. But obviously, you must discard the amount which you have saved for your future purposes, different kinds of future purposes. Say, for example, long-term deposit, that is fixed deposit. If you have got any kind of wealth or property from your forefathers or from your nearest relations, you must not consider that amount or that wealth to be used in stock market. Well, you must safeguard it with the point of view that you may need them for your future, different kinds of future plans. Well, friends, so barring all those things, barring your fixed deposit, long-term deposits, barring the wealth that you have got from your forefathers, if you have saved any amount, you can utilize a portion, only a part of that amount in your trading or in your investment. Okay, so what is the golden rule? Let's start discussion with that. Golden rule of investment or trading capital. I hope it's visible to you. Now, suppose you are having a savings amount of, suppose, USD 100,000. Well, 100,000. If you are having this savings amount, so how much you should utilize as your trading capital, or maybe as your investment capital? Whatever type of trading you may be engaged in, it may be day trading, it may be swing, positional, or scalping, whatever mode you may be preferring for trading. But the thing is that at first you have to very judiciously derive your capital from your savings. The whole amount must not be utilized as trading capital. Otherwise, you're sure to gone to the dogs. Means your one day or other day, later or sooner, your capital might be lost and you will be a loser, and you will have nothing to start again with in the avenue of trading or investment. That's why always be cautious. Suppose you are having a total savings of USD 100,000, then you must take only 20% of that. Well, that means you are getting 20,000 USD, right? And again, this capital 20,000 USD should be divided into two equal halves, two equal parts. Means in each part you are getting only 10,000 USD. Okay, and each part you may be using as investment capital and another part as trading capital. Well, if you start like this, then knowing the fact that there is risk in every investment and there is risk in every trading as well as. So knowing this fact, always we should be very much cautious while trading or while investing, while engaging any capital in our investment. You will be able to get the most out of the market only if you have the courage and if you have the monetary capital, monetary strength to be ready to lose any amount, then only you can gain the best, you can get the best out of the market. If you have palpitation, if you have tension about your capital that you have invested, that you have used in your trading or investment, then obviously your patience will not be there, and ultimately as a result you will not be able to hold that kind of patience, and ultimately you will not be able to hold the stocks for a long time. Whenever you see any kind of downfall in the price, then you will be scared, and out of that fear you will book loss only. So that's why the impulsive moves and the corrective moves both are very real in this stock market. If you have at certain point, we all buy the things, buy the underlying securities at certain points, and At each and every point, there are buyers and as well as there are sellers. There are so many reasons to buy or to sell. Each and everybody is having his or her own reasons. So that's why, my friends, it's my honest request and advice to all of you, all the investors and all the traders of the world, whatever may be your trading style, but always do trading or do investment with that much of capital which you are very comfortable to lose. Yes, it's quite contradictory to our goal. But if you want to get the most out of this market, you must be ready to lose all your money. If you have that kind of guts, if you have that kind of fearlessness in your mind, only then only you will be able to get the best out of this market. Well, let's continue. So, suppose we have started trading with a capital of 10,000 USD. Well, and what should be our everyday risk? Our everyday risk should be only max to max 2.5%. Max to max 2.5% daily risk should be 2.5% of our trading capital. Means, you see, it's 2.5% of $10,000. That means you may take trade. You may take trade with a risk of $250 daily only. Means in this way, if in this way you keep on trading, and if you lose for 40 days consequently, then only your trading capital completely will be wiped out. And it's not possible if you do trade cautiously, if you do trade with proper risk management, proper money management, continuously for 40 days, you will be making losses only. It's not practicable. That's why. But it's total 2.5% of your capital, that is your risk for the whole day. If you take 3 trades in a day, for the first trade, you must use only 1% of your total capital, 1% as risk. And for the second trade, another 1%. And if you have lost in both the trades, first and second, then you are left with only, for the day, you are left with only 0.5% of your capital as risk. If you do trading with this kind of patience, with this kind of risk management style, obviously, very slowly but surely, you will be going onto the way of your achievement, or actually, you will be paving your way to success. Well, friends, I hope you have understood a little bit, and this much for today's video. And obviously, if you are interested, if you like this kind of discussion, and if you have found something valuable in our discussion, you please do like this video and share this video content with your family and friends. And if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon, and obviously press the all button, choose the all button, so that whenever any new video is uploaded and the notification immediately reaches you. Well, friends, you do comment also If you want such kind of videos, and your one like and your one comment do motivates us, and we get new inspiration for making more videos. Well, fine. Thank you. Have a great day.